Hi everybody. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava. You will click on settings. In this page here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this page you will scrolling down until you find this window of Strava. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Strava. If you find update here, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.